Terrific Friday. Yasa bepiem and if you had a weekend muna je edru no meeting the sister Sandy be a guy world of entertainment. Yere be somo. The fata we no sumo. The be beef, the nye beef. The rebe ho, the when you be je. Ni nyina ye. Ade achi bi a mixed feelings de ye. And ora ho cha wani age. Sa na mo ya na wo hye ne nsoma me say ye ni ha say ye be favor obi ye de adwuma ne ye fact no kre etoda okutimi kodi wrong side of asem no na wo se ye bobom ma okama sa etoda so akodi the good side ni ye praise you ni ye promote you till when good morning na obi anu ni asem Adom TV ha enu amenu akuma ma me boatema eyi masotire se ofre wo no say obi ayeye wo your channel yi so na nipa no woni page oh kodi di amobobo waje ma no kire waje but say wo de be kan ye nyina say woni yen kasa de there wo stories aye wa ha wo movies aye promote Lewin on several locations intimi nuane hia for cafe bar no a mo ani na ho na bra at least okwa de be kan side of the story I guess anity Stefano Momonsema Lewin yen chana no pay yada sibebre yen to answer message sa adiachia monye se mu betwa beef so akore cattle ana monye se mu betwa beef ne so na ma fish biare no yada so gina beef ni mu uku Adam ne Kwadwo Sheldon kasai me ka kire ne se mu yemu mpanifo sa Kwadwo amfa futu no just one fa menye hwe waje this still Abrantia no wa no otutu bibi mane Shatta Wale oyiwa wa reply muntiemra na yensentie Wale so response a wode ema no
if I need help I should reach out. Come on bro, come on shamanim very oh me ohia me bomb me rough. What are we doing bro? You blocked me on Twitter. And you the found phone at CH say, yeah. When I posted the video about the flood in our estate, I didn't attach mobile money. Okay. I didn't attach GoFundMe account. I didn't attach PayPal. I posted because that was what was happening. I have a platform. I report on things. That is the only reason why I posted. Also, what happened in our estate? What happened in my house, in my home? Water just entered the hall. Where it goes some of the oh, you didn't conform. I mean, I tell you, who will be the first person you go mention? Wale. Me kwachis come free in the hall. Taking money from him is like taking money from Aisha Modi.
He's Baba.
Now, I've seen that Madam Aisha Modi has done a video. I have always said that I would want the Shatta Wale to squash this thing. Whatever it exists between us. When I met him in the United I extended a hand. What did he do? Oh, that'll be the time where you won't show in Cratcher powers. And oh, you will even greet me, then ignore and move. Your man said no. Aquaman she needs to also be man fishing net or see the baby. We are them.
On say who kukotre the original che fa bobo ne ho ahi sen de otobo abokotre no ne ote ache so no anyway say the akoye no Aisha Modi etimi age stray bullet wow beef ne wa oh nice. Ye be si June na me dwen say enti June pan mu be de ma say June mu be de e ba ne sana madwuma ba because toma ne no Aisha ya bodi be ma ne no Wale amfa nche no mum ye ntie de Wale so kan
content, whether you are a TV presenter, radio presenter, whether you are a blogger, whether you are whatever in the media or in the entertainment sector, please don't try and advise me because all of you don't drive Rolls Royces. We all started this job. Why haven't you bought a Rolls Royce? Why haven't you bought houses in Israel?
Yeah. Debbie, Bobby, na me say, wow. Oh, Sisu be Madel.
Content, whether you are a TV presenter, radio presenter, whether you are a blogger, whether you are whatever in the media or in the entertainment sector, please don't try and advise me, because all of you don't drive Rolls Royces. We all started this job. Why haven't you bought a Rolls Royce? Why haven't you bought houses in East Legon?
Okay. Wow. Abusia. Hey. I just said, some maybe can't cry. Yeah, Mamma warning. Wow. Mamma Rahu. Is he any Rolls Royce? Wow, Abusia mom can bomb me and Cassie who I in an adoy or hoda, Monya Sumame, amen. Ye be chasso, why? Eja, Rolls Royce can be Miss Nempo. See, best Ramo. Mama yen chasso, and a peck crack trot when I'm a first sea circle. Nami womb by. Tino. Ah, yeah, why, woman ain't chasso na. Safwa cramming crabby. Boo boo. Oh, my boo boo. And I think I made a bit me a cabiana. Ah. Kafa mommy am to aso na any Rolls Royce why yam koso ayay chese manum kra to anopa yi wo ba je di say Wesley Kese oye TikToker oye brand influencer abrante kama kan ho fefe ba ya ade achi bia na ya nso mo de tag no na no se obi ye sabi so otwu darling Nano, you just say, Nano, cried, you'll be crack or troll so what pampasing in her. Hey, me am shame, and I made you say, hey. Now, what can you fear na sabi? What who now all but pampasino? Let's ask them to say I drew headquarters, I have brano. Say no, what a funny sister, so some men can tremble. Say so or your bar. So your bema, so your bar bema, so your brewa, and you'll be awesome. Asam pana asam ko pokum fa ne ho tie fi nanum no wan fa nhye me ono wan kan tie bra why
yes the me bia obi be kan once I made me ho aba sa space we mono mama me followers and the audience the opportunity say on be kire o ma dwen se me pe nti no the obi be kan bia no any opinion and say when you so obi ba bonten be ka say sabi only many of other like yeah I don't know why I was say Rebecca say oh and sister because some make say and sister the obegd make say and sister the one person obegd no we yen thing on exactly you know main stress was animal no biom ya kasa oh no Miss Obiahano.
You look so lovely. I mean, are you dating?
At the moment, no.
What dated that? What's my girlfriend?
Yeah.
Who dated by how long?
One was close to 2 years, and then the other was like a year or something. I don't remember.
Meaning, so what's it? Person go focus say, who dating but the opposite one.
Oh yeah.
What are you saying and smiling? And how?
Presbyterian hymn 214, stanza 1. Asema ye kuremu ye Yesu Kristo de na se ye ni dinti ye nim se erinse nanso ati se brofua yan fancy say hymn no kwa meti tienie okoka we Emilia Brobe okuku seku the talk show mo yin Juwada wa Adom TV so enti no sana akoya me se duku ne ma ne ma na o share content no na amanko fo adwuma ye o montanta bade bia meka se obadwe obi ho pan de fatwi usen fadware yi twitwa motium yewuti brush uti no utirim why me yonko such a lovely young man wakasa yi pa in fact Stefano momon sema no he's really spoke well wakasa ya wenti obi ana so bawe obi ba de tia na so why yonko Wendy Shay kopie mu international platform bi so na baya ni kopie mu no when to me ankasa Ghana yedi fufu yedi wokole yedi nkran dokono Wendy timi koka say or the most bullied artist in Ghana. Hey, now when your platform, I am on toy kakra. Huh? When your platform, I am on tom industry, bubodin, as messy wo your Black Sheriff. Oh, your Kweku Fleck. Oh, your YP, bubodin, your Roko. And what do I know? I'm going to say, wow. Tia Bray, why?
The understanding he had of the industry, he could help me maneuver my way. Exactly. So, I mean, fast forward, I was hated. I'm the most bullied artist in the history of Ghana music.
That's great. Did you ever want to quit at any time?
My mom told me to quit and come back to Germany because it was crazy and it affected.
All goods. Quite as now, quite an anchor of this anchor with me, but the best I can to also say you are the most built female artist in Ghana. Almost every show I book me as MC. Eastern Music Awards, Zongo Fair, all the events have been on as MC. Me female artists are me also booking a pan for shows over Ghana. Wendy Shay. It means you are doing amazing. Me when it's a time now be rare no. Once na ye boni. Na we didi Ghana for chi mo penasem. Sa time na be rare Ghana nso de ade o mu chi kura ne sa obeyo hu so obi. Tie ho no na asesa niema no started, but to say you are the most bullied artist here. And now of I won't go. Because young for home, for a truly or more Ghana. Me cray. TGM me come the missy from say gim. Shankan yamina me gusu didi. So sad uncle me. Tia bibi sa no man how a game. It's a de say ujina and pimping, ujina and tenten say me what talent me to us. So that's the most important thing. To us, oh yeah, dear, to us. Why? Your platform on toy. Oh, mammy fancy crying, I'm crying the camera, what that? Why? So say, pa, the okwa kanta, thank you, you foresee. Make way me baggy in me jeansy. Just a boy is not at a trap house. Oh, we're ready. Ha, can't have boys. Me mamma finds some about Montatus when you say, by my fancy banner mutum. Or matter trap house, I say, okwa kanta. In my day. Batty, go ahead, your way or her bra. Why? You know, ya pedia mo ya no work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. Yeah, Juma Jewani release stress. Obit me Troy say, there were comment section say Akron Forfa. It's about time I'm over respected hustlers. Obia sorry, or cope be abidi. Also, or Jenny, the ultimate Troy and a Akron Forfa. Make a congo or the Yerianida. Money now, was it? Na yem fancy our ha eagle wear and a pamatadi. The mammy. Net with different colors for honum or more tests on the same building with Starbites restaurants. For Eagle was 0266112230. Hair Logistics GH. I'm a Miriashe and my mere queer whom I no pay was rigging. That's a waboot here, very, very natural. And I'm saying Hair Logistics no or TikTok, Instagram, Shishano Hair Logistics GH. Na order unwi. I don't am a director. Webe Kofi Ampedu ho, Weba ho, OPD, I am a producer, Thomas Wahase, Stefano, a sound engineer, or Bomechidom, Eugenia Baden, or makeup department. Happy birthday, Nkoma Masa Israel, and Eba, Abe Moa, was saying, Eba Be Moa, Awoda, Masa Israel, I was set departments for. Masa Israel, happy birthday, Rabanse. And I must say, Israel, so what she never to my fancy. I say, I'm so near. Happy birthday. And confirm no me Dino, unfortunately, baby boy. But Papa Massager. Bright. Happy birthday, come out bright. I mean, sure, I want to come. fa na mo nsisi o papa se odo pa okoso wa do nu Yesu mo janim tinyame insha bright happy birthday. I'm the guys queen. Yeah, kokuma say o say krom ye be fie akwaside festival Adom TV crew no hwayanim ye ba ye bote kokoso na asana na ma opiawo akwaside amamre ye betwa ni nyina egu Adom TV so amamo tikuma say see ya bye bye